guys, what's up? It's China back at it again with another video, and today what's in my is going to be what's in my makeup bag. Ooh. And I honestly love videos like this. Basically gonna show you guys what I carry in my makeup bag when I go out or when I am going away. I have a brush in here, obviously. This is a brush that I just used. Bronzer brush. Okay. I have like this icy melting away right now that I'm gonna eat as I go. I have the Milani Glow hydrating skin tint that I talk about, that I did a video on. If you guys haven't seen it, I'll put it up here. I was explaining in the other video that I don't really use foundation, so I'm into skin tints and CC cream and stuff like that. Next I see mascara, and this is the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Sky High mascara, and this mascara is really good. Honestly, Maybelline just makes really good mascaras. Like, I feel like I've tried almost every mascara from Maybelline in the past 5 years, and everyone that I've tried just did everything that it said that it did. And these make my lashes look really full and long, and no, I'm not wearing them right now. I got my lashes done yesterday. I have like multiple concealers in here because I don't know, but I feel like I have my moments where I want to do try different concealers. But I do have one base concealer that I always use, and it's the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Concealer in 360. And yeah, I just use this as my base color under my eyes to like cover up all the puffiness and circles, and then I'll go in with one of these. And these are all like my highlighting shades. They're all pretty damn similar. This one's from LA Colors, and it's the Ultimate Cover Concealer that I recently tried in a video. It's very like lightweight, but you can definitely build it up, which I like for times where I want to be natural. And then this is the Wet n Wild Incognito All Day Full Coverage Concealer, and this is in medium honey. This one is super thick compared to the LA Colors one, so if you're looking for more of like a full coverage type concealer, this concealer definitely is that. And then the last one that I have is Nars Concealer. It's the travel size Nars Radiant Concealer, I think. Can't read my eyes, but it's in medium dark. This is like $17. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I also got these things that I'm always talking about. Like, I know you guys are probably tired of me talking about these products. They're my Fenty Beauty Sunstalker Instant Warmth Bronzer in Caramel Cutie. It just looks like this. Very pretty caramel chocolate bronzer color. And then I have the Pro Filter Soft Matte Powder Foundation in 380. I don't know why it's wet, but it's wet. I have my Fenty brow pencil, the Brow MVP in brown or dark brown. And then I also have her travel size mascara. I had the full size, but I didn't really want to buy the full size because I'm not gonna lie, the mascara is not like my favorite. It's good, it gives me volume, but like I'm more of a length person. So I also have this e.l.f. blush stick that I've been using recently, really pretty. And then I have some lip products in here. I have my Fenty cream, balm cream, lip gloss, and then I have my Kiss matte lipstick, which I'm wearing on my lips right now. I know my hair looks crazy too, guys. I'm sorry. I'm getting my hair done this week. It's my birthday week, so yeah. And then I also have this Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick, and I love this shade. It looks so nice with brown liner. And then I also have a NYX liner, which looks really gross, but yeah, this liner is really... This is what would be inside of my makeup bag if I were to go out, or you know, want to take makeup with me anywhere. That's the stuff that I would hold. I want to start looking for new products for you guys though, so you guys aren't seeing the same things recycled over and over again, so I can start doing new looks and stuff. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this what's in my makeup bag video. If you guys enjoy videos like this, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment down below of what your favorite makeup product is right now. Maybe I'll try it out, but yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.